Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking red velvet waffles with lemon pepper wings. Starting off with our waffles, we're going to put all our dry ingredients into a bowl first. And then we're going to combine all our dry ingredients together.
If I'm gonna be real about it, yeah.
Now it's time to add in our wet ingredients.
I'm that nigga. I'm
We're going to mix everything well, and then we're going to add in our food coloring. Once we have all our ingredients mixed well, we're going to start making our waffles. I didn't have any cooking spray on hand, so I just went ahead and used butter. And then I add in my batter mixture. Now that our waffles are all done, we're going to move on to cooking our chicken wings. We're going to first start off by seasoning our chicken wings. Be mindful to be light-handed with the salt because we are going to go back in and season our chicken with lemon pepper, and lemon pepper already have sodium in it. Now we're going to add in our egg wash. Some of your seasoning will come off, but don't worry because we're going to go back in and season with the lemon pepper.
I'm that nigga. I'm that.
So I have some flour and a little bit of cornstarch in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to go add in that lemon pepper seasoning, and then I'm going to mix it well, and then I'm going to coat my chicken with the mixture. Now we're going to add our chicken to our hot grease. I cook these wings for about 20 minutes. Depending on how big or how small your chicken wings are, the time for cooking will be less or more. Now once I take the wings out of the hot grease, I like to go ahead and sprinkle some more of that lemon pepper onto the wings. Now we're all done. I did make a cream cheese sauce for my waffles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.